What's up, y'all? Welcome to our channel. If you recently received a text or just wandering into this channel, I wanted to do a quick video with background of what this channel is about and who's Minotaur Capital. You might have met me when I owned a tea shop in the Lakeview neighborhood of Chicago, or my dog daycare in Lincoln Square. Also, it could have been with my work with nonprofits as an insurance agent or a Peterson Garden project. Regardless of how we met, I wanted to welcome you to our channel. Our company, Minotaur Capital, is a management company for our investment fund. What does that mean? We fundamentally trade stocks through our AI platform. We realize our investors don't have the time to watch the market daily and understand how to pick valuable stocks. And that's what we do. But on another level, we wanted to provide our friends and subscribers a place where they can gain more financial education. I had over 10 years of experience in the financial market since the age of 18. Afterwards, I spent time grinding in my entrepreneurial ventures. Fast forward to today, my buddies and I wanted to create a platform that would help others create additional passive income through our investment fund. Regardless of where you are in your financial journey, we're hoping we can provide you tips, tricks, and our personal experiences that can bring more financial abundance to the things you love to do while you're actively living and not only in retirement. About 8 years ago, I put my entrepreneur hat on the rack as I was burnt out managing multiple companies, working 80 plus hours a week and not providing the financial outcome that came with it. A hard reset was needed. I was living in my mom's basement at the age of 35 with debt and barely any income. I decided to do some self-work and focus more on my self-worth and being. I reset and I did what I haven't done in years at that age, and that's work for someone else. I also accepted a pay that I was making less than in my mid-20s, but that was alright and I wasn't upset at all. In fact, I was highly excited, grateful for the opportunity, and happy for this pivot in my life. One of the best things that came out of this is finding my wife. Long story short, since that pivot, my wife and I managed multiple properties, created various income streams, including passive and active, and most recently, I got to start a financial management company with some of my best friends. My wife and I are still a few ways from pure financial freedom. Currently, working full-time jobs, but we see the light at the end of the tunnel. And we're hoping that we can help our friends, network, and viewers do the same. From coming out at $10,000 and more in credit card debt to becoming homeowners, then a landlord, we understand it does take time. But with that being said, we're hoping that our experiences and our support can guide you. I know if you put in some of the strategies that we put in place, you'll gain confidence and the aptitude to be successful in your financial abundance. If you can, please like our video and subscribe below. We also understand there's more than one way to create financial abundance, but we want to show how we created ours. So please comment or let us know what type of videos you want us to create. In the beginning, there'll be a lot of one-on-one videos like how to make a budget, what are daily stocks, and what's going on in the market, but also stories and experiences of our past and some advanced stuff like options trading or how to lower your tax liability. Understand, we're a financial management company, but you have the ultimate control of your financial goals. With that being said, we're grateful for you tuning in and we'll see you soon. Thank you.